Good morning. I've been up for a couple hours editing the last video, and I still haven't been kicked out of this car park, so that's good. I think now it's time to go out, have a quick expedition, have a look around. It's a bit humid. Alright, got the Okidori metal shirt on. Feel way better. Except for it's still hot. I need to get the car turned on, I need to get my cash ready, because I imagine it's going to be a bit of a chunk to get out of here. A bit of cash. So, that was Enoshima Island. Very nice. I'd seen it online. I wanted to go, and I figured it would be a perfect spot to stay for the night and then also go during the next day. Yeah, so now we're on our way to kind of like the Hakone kind of area. And unfortunately I've caved. I think I'm going to book a hotel for tonight. I'll book like a really cheap one. It's just, yeah, it's like very humid today and I need a shower. Yeah, and I found a fairly cheap one, so I'll go for that. Alright, we're getting close to Hakone and we're starting to go up the mountain. It's go little fella, come on! We've got about 20 minutes until we get to our destination. It's a viewing spot on top of the mountain, and yeah, see how we go. So I just pulled up, right, to clean up a bit of mess, like with the movement, like with the car going back and forth, of course stuff is going to move around, so I'm going to clean that up, and then without really looking, open the back window because I backed up against the view. Check out what the view is. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little mountain over there. I wouldn't have a clue what kind of mountain that is. Right, how about a tour of the van? This is the van. It's what is it? Oh, wait, it's a Nissan. Wait. Wait, what? Okay, now I'm confused. So at the back it says Suzuki Every, but at the front, wait, I'm just working this out. I thought it was a Suzuki. At the front, it's a Nissan. So it kind of threw me off because the it says Nissan on the wheel, but it also says Nissan on the key. I thought maybe it was just a spare key kind of problem, but alright, so I got a Suzuki Nissan. What kind of name could you mix together for that? Nisu? Susan. Wow, actually that kind of lines itself up. I know I cleaned it up. I definitely did not clean it up. Driving kind of just chucked stuff around. It was just in the back, so I was running the fan. But it's nice setup. You got a window here, you got a window at the back. You can't tell, but right there, that kind of peak, that's Mount Fuji. Or just a tall mountain, honestly. I think it's Mount Fuji, but I have no idea. But yeah, you got curtains. I'm really still thrown off about that Nissan Suzuki thing. Do we actually call it Susan? It's kind of funny. But you got a little cushion bed. You got some cupboards up the top. You got a cupboard down here. Pretty good. And you got heaps of power points and USB points and stuff like that. So, really handy. Alright, a little bit of a break. We ended up stopping at a rest stop on top of the mountain. I forgot the name of the place. Had a look around, forgot to film, but yeah, should be alright. So we now got, well, now we're gonna go toegaze down the hill. We're gonna turn around and go back up the hill on a different road to get to our hotel for the night. Right, I don't even mean it, but check this out. Once again, I've parked. You can see it, there's a lake right there. Check this out. That's where we just parked. And this is where we're staying tonight. There's Susan name still in the works. But jump in. Where are the lights? Oh, okay. So we've got a bathroom. That's right. We got me. Hello. Ooh, little window. Had the door open for a little bit, so it's let in a lot of bugs. But a double bed, all kind of set up. It's nothing fancy, I know, but I mean, I don't need anything fancy. I just kind of wanted to... Oh, there is a shower. Okay, I was about to freak out for a second because that was like partially a reason why I booked this. But okay, cool. We've got a shower. Got heaps of little bugs. I have no idea if they're off. I haven't had the door open for a bit, but I reckon these bugs were here already. I don't know, there's a lot of them. Alright, so just went and grabbed some groceries because I can't be bothered getting dinner. We got band-aids for the mole, chocolate for me, melon pan, we got some ramen. I honestly have no idea what it is. I need to translate it to figure it out, but it looks alright. I got some curry. Honestly, I have no idea if I'm going to eat it all, but we also got the melon Fanta and also birthday cake thingo. It's like, supposedly this brand's already pretty good, but this is like the limited edition version or whatever, so that will be good.